Hello students, I hope you are well and at your home. Now today I will solve some problem related to derivative of inverse trigonometry function. Now y is equal to tangent inverse 2x upon 1 plus 15x square. So you should break it into two parts such that multiplies 15x square and their sum or difference as 2x. क्या पॉसिबल होगा इसमें? You know 5 3s 15 and 5x minus 3x as 2x. Okay, so you can write tangent inverse 5x minus 3x upon 1 plus 5x into 3x. Now you have done one property in ITF, inverse trigonometry function, in which tangent inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Same here, you will break or change into, now compare it with, we have given this part tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So we will write in form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. We will write it tan inverse 5x minus tan inverse 3x. Now you can differentiate dy by dx, derivative of tan inverse fx 1 upon 1 plus fx square into dy by dx of fx. Same here, 1 upon 1 plus fx whole square dy by dx of 3x. तो ये कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी बेटे? ये है अपने पास if dy by dx of tangent inverse fx, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon 1 plus fx whole square into dy by dx of fx. यहाँ पर हम tan इनवर्स का ये प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, नाउ डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 5x एज 5 अपॉन 1 प्लस 25x स्क्वायर 3 अपॉन 1 प्लस 9x स्क्वायर. नाउ you can do up to this part, or either you can take LCM also. When you will take LCM, 1 plus 25x square 1 plus 9x square multiply with 5, here multiply with minus 3, so we have 5 minus 3 2 minus 30x square upon 1 plus 25x square 1 plus 9x square. So we can do derivative of inverse trigonometry function by using some property of ITF also, inverse trigonometry function. Let us see next example. Next example, y is equal to tan inverse under root x into 3 minus x 1 minus 3x. Before starting derivative, we will write or refine it. Refine means multiply it 3 under root x माइनस एक्स इंटू अंडर रूट एक्स अपॉन 1 minus 3x. Now if we will write it, tan inverse, देखिए ITF से कौन सा फॉर्मूला इसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है? आपने पढ़ा है tan इनवर्स x माइनस वाई, tan इनवर्स x माइनस tan इनवर्स y, tan इनवर्स x प्लस tan इनवर्स y एंड टेंजेंट 3 थीटा ऑल्सो. तो क्या देखिए यहाँ टेंजेंट 3 थीटा का प्रॉपर्टी बनता है. तो वी विल चेंज अंडर रूट एक्स अंडर रूट एक्स कितना हो जाएगा? एक्स रेज टू पावर 1 एंड 1/2 3/2 एंड 1 माइनस 3. एक्स को हम लिख सकते हैं अंडर रूट एक्स होल स्क्वायर. यू नो स्क्वायर स्क्वायर रूट विल कैंसिल. क्या आ जाएगा? टेंजेंट इनवर्स 3 अंडर रूट एक्स. आप इसको लिख सकते हैं x रेज टू पावर 1/2 एंड होल क्यूब. एंड यू नो x रेज टू पावर 1/2 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? अंडर रूट एक्स अपॉन 1 माइनस 3 अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, अब हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे? अंडर रूट एक्स को टेंजेंट थीटा सपोज करेंगे. लेट अंडर रूट एक्स इज टेंजेंट थीटा. तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? y इज टेंजेंट इनवर्स 3 टेंजेंट थीटा माइनस टेंजेंट क्यूब थीटा अपॉन 1 माइनस 3 टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा. ये प्रॉपर्टी बन गया. किसका प्रॉपर्टी है ये? टेंजेंट 3 थीटा. इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ टेंजेंट 3 थीटा. So y is tan inverse tangent 3 theta. Now tan inverse tan cancel. Y is 3 theta. And value of theta from here. We have under root x as tangent theta. So tangent transpose tangent inverse. Okay, so we have value of theta is tangent inverse under root x. Y is 3 tan inverse under root x. Now you can differentiate dy by dx. 3 tan inverse under root x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. You know dy by dx of tangent inverse fx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus fx whole square into dy by dx of fx. Now into dy by dx of under root x. So we have 3 upon 1 plus x and dy by dx of under root x 1 upon 2 under root x. So our resultant is 3 upon 2 under root x into 1 plus x. It is the derivative of y is equal to tan inverse under root x into 3 minus x upon 1 minus 3x. Let us see next example. Now y is equal to cot inverse 3 minus 2 tan x upon 2 plus 3 tan x. In the same way, we have mostly property in tan inverse. So we can change it into tangent also. You know, cot inverse x is tangent inverse 1 by x. So we will write cot inverse as tangent inverse taking its reciprocal. 2 plus 3 tan x upon 3 minus 2 tan x. ओके, नाउ आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं ना ही तो कोई क्यूबिंग है ना ही स्क्वेयरिंग है. इट मीन्स टेंजेंट 3 थीटा तो बनेगा नहीं. So we will try for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, but here positive, so we will try for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Here in property 1, so we will divide numerator and denominator by 3. Divide numerator and denominator by 3. 2 by 3, 3 by 3 tangent x, 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3 tangent x. You know it is cancelled. We have tangent inverse 2 by 3 plus tangent x upon 1 minus 2 by 3 tangent x. Okay, now you know if we have tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ सेम वही प्रॉपर्टी बन रही है. सो वी कैन राइट इट tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, and compare x is 2 by 3 and y is tangent x. Okay, next row y is tan inverse into, क्या लिखेंगे आप इस पार्ट को, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. तो our x is 2 by 3 and y is tangent x. You know it is constant. Tan inverse tan will cancel to each other is x. So dy by dx is derivative of tan inverse as constant 0, because 2 by 3 is constant, and derivative of x as 1. So dy by dx is 1. Okay, let us see next example. Now next problem, y is equal to cos inverse 2 cos x plus 3 sin x by under root 13. You know such type problem, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ कॉस और साइन के जो स्क्वायर का सम करेंगे आप, वो मोस्टली डिनोमिनेटर के इक्वल आता है. यू नो 2 स्क्वायर 4, 3 स्क्वायर 9, 9 4 13. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन में हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट राइट एज पार्शियल cos इनवर्स, वी कैन राइट 2 बाय अंडर रूट 13 cos x, 3 बाय अंडर रूट 13 sin x. Okay, here cos inverse, तो we want to make property of cos. cos की प्रॉपर्टी में क्या होता है बेटे, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. so यहाँ आप क्या करेंगे, 2 by under root 13 को पुट कर लीजिए cos थीटा. लेट cos a ले लेते हैं 2 by under root 13. If cos A is 2 by under root 13 base by hypotenuse, तो पाइथागोरस से कितना आएगा 3. So we can write sin A as 3 by under root 13. Okay, तो अगर हमने 2 by 13 को cos A पुट किया तो 3 by under root 13 डायरेक्ट क्या बन जाएगा, साइन ए. 2 by under root 13 क्या बन जाएगा, साइन ए. सो y is cos inverse cos x cos a plus sin a sin x, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, property of cos a minus b. So we will write cos inverse cos x minus a, because in cos minus then plus, in plus then minus. Now you will cancel to each other. We have cos inverse cos cancel, x minus a. Now what is value of a? Now transpose of cos, then value of a is cos inverse 2 by under root 13. cos inverse 2 by under root 13. So dy by dx is derivative of x when it's 0. We have dy by dx 1. Okay, in such type question you will apply partial, then cos a plus b, either cos a minus b or sin a plus b, sin a minus b formula, then solve for derivative. Now let us see next example. Now y is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square upon 1 minus x square. First we will refine it. Sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. You know secant inverse x. Secant inverse x written as cos inverse 1 by x. Cos inverse 1 by x. So we will write it cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. आप थीटा का रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे. Now you can see if we will put in both the cases x as tangent theta. X as tangent theta. So y is sin inverse 2 tangent theta upon 1 plus tangent square theta plus cos inverse 1 minus tangent square theta 1 plus tangent square theta. Okay, now you know it is the property of sin 2 theta. Property of sin 2 theta, and here it is property of cos 2 theta. Property of cos 2 theta. Now you can cancel each other. Y is 2 theta plus 2 theta, that is 4 theta. And value of theta, if x as tangent theta, then tangent is convert into tan inverse. So we have value of theta is tan inverse x. Now you can differentiate. Dy by dx is 4 into derivative of tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of x is 1. 4 upon 1 plus x square. Dear students, in such type problem, first you will change according to property, according to trigonometry formulas. तो you know sin inverse में अगर हम x को tangent theta पुट करते हैं, then sin 2 theta, and here secant को किस में चेंज करेंगे, cos में, then cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. When x square is tangent theta, then it is formula of cos 2 theta, because we have written also in earlier video, you know sin 2 theta, that is 2 tangent theta upon 1 plus tangent square theta. Cos 2 theta 1 minus tangent square theta upon 1 plus tangent square theta. If tangent 2 theta, then 2 tangent theta upon 1 minus tangent square theta. So all three property of sine, cos and tangent. We will write here sin 2 theta, here cos 2 theta, cos inverse cancel, sin inverse, 2 plus 4 theta, value of theta is tan inverse x. Now you can differentiate and result is 4 upon 1 plus x square. Now let us see next example. Here y is equal to secant inverse x plus 1 upon x minus 1. plus sine inverse x minus 1 upon x plus 1. We want to find its differentiation, derivative. First you will observe secant inverse can be written as cos inverse. You know secant inverse x is cos inverse 1 by x. So we will write cos inverse x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Here sine inverse x minus 1 upon x plus 1. And you know it is inverse trigonometry function. You also know some property of ITF, in which one property is sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Same here, sine inverse, here cos inverse. Both have same angle. Okay, so we can write it pi by 2. And now derivative is pi by 2 is a constant, so its derivative is 0. Okay, next example. Now y is equal to sine inverse x under the root 1 minus x minus under root x under the root 1 minus x square. You know आउटर में आपके पास साइन इनवर्स है, तो यहाँ हमें साइन का प्रॉपर्टी बनाना है. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू we will change some minors. Minors means here x, here under root x. So you know 1x, x can be written as under root x whole square. You know square root cancel. And here 1 minus x whole square. Here we have mainly two terms. One is x, another is under root x. X and under root x. So we will suppose x and under root x different trigonometric parts. कैसे? Suppose मैंने x को suppose किया. Let x is equal to sin a. अंडर रूट x को कर लेते हैं sin b. Okay, x as sin a, under root x as sin b. We put x is equal to sin a under root x sin b, so we have sin inverse sin a 1 minus under root x sin b, it means sin square b under root x sin b and 1 minus sin square a. We have sin inverse sin a 1 minus sin square b cos square b, and here 1 minus sin square a cos square a. Now you know square root cancel. We have sin inverse sin a cos b minus sin b cos a. It is property of sin a cos b cos a sin b sin a minus b sin a minus b. So you can cancel sin inverse. We have y is equal to a minus b. Now value of a from here. If x is sin a, then value of a sin inverse x. If under root x as sin b, then value of b as sin inverse under root x. So we will put here y is equal to a as sin inverse x minus sin inverse under root x. So dy by dx is sin inverse x 1 upon under the root 1 minus x square. and sine inverse under root x 1 upon 1 minus under root x whole square into dy by dx of under root x. So it is 1 minus x square. You know derivative of under root x 1 upon 2 under root x into 1 minus x. Okay. Now you can take LCM. You can break 1 minus x square written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. Taking LCM, 1 minus x, 1 plus x, 2 under root x. So here this part cancel, only 2 under root x. Here 2 under root x and under root 1 minus x cancel, then under root 1 plus x. Okay, that is the simplest form. Either you can say derivative of sine inverse x under the root 1 minus x minus under root x under the root 1 minus x square. Now let us see next example. Now if y is tangent inverse 5ax upon a square minus 6x square, then prove that dy by dx is this. So by using ITF we will solve this question also. Y is equal to tangent inverse 5ax upon a square minus 6x square. You know in tan inverse x plus y, tan inverse x minus y, 1 is here in denominator 1. So we will make 1 here. अगर आपको 1 बनाना है तो आप क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय ए स्क्वायर. सेम हेयर, a square upon a square 6x square upon a square. 1 बनाने के लिए हमने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को a square से क्या किया, डिवाइड. नाउ tangent inverse, here 1a cancel, 5x by a 1 minus 3x square upon a 6x square upon a square. So you know 3 to 6, 3 plus 2 5. आप इसको चेंज करेंगे, टेंजेंट इनवर्स 3x बाई ए प्लस 2x बाई ए अपॉन 1 माइनस 3x बाई ए 2x बाई ए. ओके, 3x बाई ए प्लस 2x बाई ए अपॉन 1 minus 3x by a into 2x by a. Now compare it with tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. That is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So same here, it can be written as tangent inverse 3x by a plus tangent inverse 2x by a. Okay, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y में ब्रेक किया, ये पोर्शन आ गया अपने पास. नाउ अब ये y के इक्वल आ गया आपका सॉल्यूशन पार्ट. अब हम इसको सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज कर चुके हैं. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट, y इज tangent inverse 3x by a plus tangent inverse 2x by a. So dy by dx is tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square and dy by dx of 3x by a 1 upon 1 plus x square and dA by dx of 2x by a. So you know derivative of x is 1. So here we have 3 upon a and it is 9x square upon a square. Derivative of x is 1, then 2 by a and 1 plus 2 square 4x square upon a square. Now you can take LCM. Then dy by dx is 3 upon a square plus 9x square upon a square, 2 upon a square 4x square upon a square. Here also a square LCM. Okay, now you will change it. Proper form is 3 by a and taking its reciprocal, a square upon a square plus 9x square. Same here, 2 by a into a square upon a square plus 4x square. You know a to a cancel, 1a cancel. Our result is 3a upon a square plus 9x square, 2a upon a square plus 4x square. You can see same we have proved. ओके, तो जल्दी से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए एंड इफ बस कीप इन माइंड प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्यूशन अबाउट देयर प्रॉपर्टी. कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई हो, किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने से पहले आपको सोचना है ये ITF से सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में चेंज हो सकता है. चेंज होगा तो कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी बनेगी. ज़्यादा प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है, 2 या 3 है मैक्सिमम. उन्हीं के अराउंड क्वेश्चन आपका इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएगा. नाउ लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. नाउ थीटा इज इक्वल टू कोस इनवर्स r अपॉन k माइनस अंडर द रूट k स्क्वायर माइनस r स्क्वायर अपॉन r. देन प्रूव दैट यू नो हियर वी नीड d थीटा बाई dr. तो आप क्वेश्चन को देखकर आइडिया ले सकते हैं. यहाँ पुट करने से वह काम नहीं चलेगा. वी विल डू डायरेक्टली. So d theta by dr cos inverse derivative of cos inverse fx dy by dx of cos inverse fx is minus 1 upon under the root 1 minus fx square into dy by dx of fx. So here cos inverse r upon k is 1 minus 1 upon under the root 1 minus r upon k whole square into d by dr of r upon k minus. You know here we are doing with respect to r. R in denominator, r in numerator. So we will apply u upon v. Quotient rule. Which rule? Quotient rule. So denominator whole square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. So d theta upon dr is, you know derivative of r is 1, so here minus 1 upon k. R upon k means 1 upon k. 1 upon k means k in divide, and here 1 minus r square upon k square minus r square r into derivative of under root x. You know derivative of under root x 1 by 2 under root x. So same here, 1 upon 2 k square minus r square. ये तो अंडर रूट का हुआ, अब अंदर के पार्ट का भी करेंगे आप। डी अपॉन डी आर किसका करेंगे, के स्क्वेयर माइनस आर स्क्वेयर, और यू नो डी आर अपॉन डी आर इज 1. Now minus 1 upon k into, here LCM is k square, so k square minus r square upon k. You know actually k square है अपने पास, बट अगर मैं अंडर रूट से इसको बाहर ले सकता हूं तो मैं ओनली क्या लिखेंगे, k ही लिखेंगे इसको. देन वी हैव ओके माइनस r into derivative of k square 0, derivative of minus r square minus 2r minus k square minus r square upon r square. Before solve it, we will take bracket also. Now 2 cancel, k to k cancel, minus 1 upon k square minus r square, here minus r square, k square minus r square as LCM, माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप, स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो जाएगा, k स्क्वायर माइनस r स्क्वायर, ओके, एंड अपॉन r स्क्वायर, तो r स्क्वायर यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाएगा, माइनस 1 अपॉन के स्क्वेयर माइनस आर स्क्वेयर माइनस आर स्क्वेयर माइनस के स्क्वेयर प्लस आर स्क्वेयर, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस प्लस, के स्क्वेयर माइनस आर स्क्वेयर इंटू आर स्क्वेयर. नाउ आर स्क्वेयर कैंसिल, so we have dy by dx is minus 1 upon under the root k square minus r square. Now minus minus plus k square upon r square, k square minus r square. Now taking LCM, r square into k square minus r square, cancel, only minus r square, होल डिवाइड हो जाएगा 1 into k square. Now we can write it in refined way, k square minus r square upon r square into k square minus r square. देखिए k square minus r square, k square minus r square, here power 1, here half, under root means half, ये कहाँ चला जाएगा ऊपर, न्यूमरेटर कन्वर्ट इनटू न्यूमरेटर, एंड पावर हाफ लेस हो जाएगी 1 minus half. 1 minus half mean it is dr, okay, dr. Now dy d theta upon dr, we will write d theta upon dr. So under the root k square minus r square upon r square. Now we have proved d theta by dr. So here we are using only direct method, means cosine rule and derivative of cos inverse. जल्दी से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें, ओके. Now let us see next problem. Next is y is equal to tangent inverse under the root 1 plus x minus 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus 1 minus x. Find its derivative. In such type problem, here we are using two concepts. One is ITF and one is derivative. Another is derivative. So by using ITF way, first we will write in simplest form. So you know, in simplest form, if we have 1 minus x, either 1 plus x, so we will suppose x as cos 2 theta. X as cos 2 theta. You should not apply here this method u, and u is this. Okay, you will apply ITF simplest form way, then derivative. First, tangent inverse. What is x? Cos 2 theta. Here we will suppose x as cos 2 theta. We will suppose x as cos 2 theta minus 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta 1 minus cos 2 theta. Okay, now you know 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. So y is tangent inverse 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta upon 2 cos square theta 2 sine square theta. Now y is tangent inverse square root cancel, बट यहाँ ओनली साइन और कोस का हुआ है, तो यहाँ रिमेनिंग क्या रहेगा? अंडर रूट 2 कोस थीटा माइनस अंडर रूट 2 साइन थीटा अंडर रूट 2 कोस थीटा अंडर रूट 2 साइन थीटा. Okay, now what is common? Under root 2 is common. So cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, in simplest form such type question देखिए, यहाँ tan inverse है तो यहाँ आप tangent का property बनाएंगे. So divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Now we have tangent inverse cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta, same cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now change it into cos by cos 1, sin by cos tangent theta, cos by cos 1 plus tangent theta. Now it is the property of, you know, tangent pi by 4 minus theta, tan inverse into tangent pi by 4 minus theta, both will cancel. Now we have pi by 4 minus theta, pi by 4 minus theta. So what is the value of theta? From here, first cos transpose. Now you know cos transpose is cos inverse 2 also, then 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So we will write here y is equal to pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x, pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x, and its derivative is, if y is pi by 4 minus half cos inverse x, then dy by dx is 0 minus half, and derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 upon 1 minus x square. minus minus cancel, 1 by 2 under the root 1 minus x square. ओके, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए जल्दी से एंड लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट इज साइन इनवर्स x square upon under the root x4 plus a4. So you know here y is equal to sine inverse. We will not apply as sine inverse u and u is equal to this part, means chain rule. We will make it simple, means change into simplest form. X square, here is x4 written as x square whole square plus a4. Okay, so you know, if we have x square plus a square, then we put x as a tangent theta or a cotangent theta. A tangent theta or a cotangent theta. But here a square, here a4. So we will suppose in case of x square whole square plus a4, then put x square as a square tangent theta. Now let us see again. In case of x square a square, x put as a tangent theta, but here x square and a square का whole square given, so we will put x square as a square tangent theta. Okay, so y is sine inverse x square is a square tangent theta upon a square tangent theta whole square plus a4. Now sine inverse a square tangent theta, it is a4 tangent square theta plus a4. Now taking out a4 as common, you know, from square root, आप स्क्वायर रूट से जो भी कॉमन लेते हैं उसकी पावर हाफ हो जाती है. अगर ए स्क्वायर को हमने कॉमन लिया a4 को, तो बाहर क्या हो जाएगा ए स्क्वायर, और अंदर क्या रहा अपने पास टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1. नाउ ए स्क्वायर कैंसिल, you know 1 plus tangent square theta, 1 plus tangent square theta as secant square theta. Now square root cancel, we have sine inverse tan theta upon secant theta. Okay, now convert tangent and secant into sine cos. We will write sine inverse tangent theta as sine theta upon cos theta, and secant theta is also 1 upon cos theta. Cos cancel, we have sine inverse into sine theta. Here no foundation, no restriction, so sine inverse cancel, we have theta. Find value of theta from here. Now first a square in divide, transpose of a square in divide. Now value of theta, convert tangent into tangent inverse. Okay, we have value of theta is tan inverse x square upon a square. Now we will differentiate. So dy by dx is tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square into dy by dx of x square upon ए स्क्वायर। हमने कौन सा प्रॉपर्टी लगाया यहाँ पे? बिकॉज tan inverse fx is 1/1 plus fx whole square into dy by dx of fx. Taking a square as LCM, 1 first whole is power x 4/a4 and derivative of x square 2x. Okay. Now in denominator taking LCM, so 2x upon a square into a4 plus x4 upon a4. A square cancel, a square in convert into numerator. So 2xa square upon a4 plus x4. It is derivative of sine inverse x square upon x4 plus a4. Take it screenshot, जल्दी से ले लीजिए, and let us see next example or next problem. Next is y is equal to tan inverse 4 under root x upon 1 minus x, 4x. So we will write tan inverse 4 under root x written as 2 into 2 under root x, or 1 minus 4x written as 2 under root x whole square. Okay, 2 square for under root x square x. Now we will suppose 2 under root x as tangent theta. So we have y is tan inverse into 2 tangent theta 1 minus tangent square theta. You know it is the property of tangent to theta. Tangent to theta. Now tan inverse tan cancel. Y as 2 theta. And the y value of theta is tan inverse 2 under root x. Now you can differentiate dy by dx is tan inverse x 1/1 plus x square, and dy by dx of 2 under root x is 1/1 plus 4x. Derivative of under root x is 1/2 under root x. 2 cancel. So we have 1 under root x into 1 plus 4x. It is the example of derivative of tan inverse under property of tangent to theta. Okay. Now let us see next example. Tan inverse under root a plus under root x upon 1 minus under root ax. You can write tan inverse under root a plus under root x 1 minus, break into 2 part, under root a into under root x. Okay, you know under root ab is equal to under root a into under root b. Now it is the property of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So we can write it tan inverse under root a plus tan inverse under root x. Now you can differentiate it. Okay. Now let us see next example. Now tan inverse x sin alpha upon 1 minus x cos alpha. तो हेयर हमारे पास कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं बनेगी डायरेक्ट, बिकॉज यू नो साइन अल्फा एंड कोस अल्फा कांस्टेंट. हेयर साइन अल्फा एंड कोस अल्फा आर कांस्टेंट, so we will use it by using chain rule. Y is equal to tangent inverse u, and where u is x sin alpha upon 1 minus cos alpha. Now dy by du is tan inverse u 1/1 plus u square. tan inverse u 1 upon 1 plus u square, and here du by not alpha x du by dx. तो x in denominator, x in numerator, so we will apply quotient rule u upon v. Denominator whole square, denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. So du by dx is 1 minus x cos alpha. Now sin alpha is constant, so derivative of x is 1 into sin alpha minus x sin alpha. Here derivative of 1 0, cos alpha constant and x minus 1 means minus cos alpha upon 1 minus cos alpha whole square. Now multiply sin alpha minus x sin alpha cos alpha minus minus plus x sin alpha cos alpha upon 1 minus cos alpha whole square. समटाइम्स यहाँ मिस्टेक हो जाती है, साइन को कोस के साथ भी हम एज ए फंक्शन मान लेते हैं, बट एक्चुअल में साइन कोस यहाँ क्या है, कांस्टेंट, बिकॉज थीटा इज अल्फा. बोथ विल कैंसिल. वी हैव साइन अल्फा अपॉन 1 minus cos alpha whole square. It is du by dx. Now multiply both. So dy by dx is dy by du into du by dx, means 1 by 1 plus u square into sin alpha 1 minus x cos alpha whole square. Now here put the value of u. We will put here value of u is x sin alpha upon 1 minus x cos alpha whole square into sin alpha upon 1 minus x cos alpha whole square. It's next. Taking LCM, then we have dy by dx is 1 upon 1 minus x cos alpha whole square plus x sin alpha whole square upon 1 minus x cos alpha whole square. Because when we will write separate and taking LCM, into sin alpha upon 1 minus x cos alpha whole square. Both will cancel. We have sin alpha upon 1 minus x cos alpha whole square x sin alpha whole square. Okay, now you can multiply sin alpha upon a square plus b square minus 2ab x square sin square alpha. जब आप इन दोनों को इकट्ठा लेंगे, what is common? x square. sin square upon 1 plus x square sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that is 1. तो एक्चुअल में dy by dx क्या आएगा अपने पास? sin alpha upon 1 plus x square minus 2x cos alpha. So we will solve this question by using chain rule, suppose as u and quotient rule. Okay, now let us see next example. Here y is equal to cot inverse under the root 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x minus under the root 1 minus sin x. We want to prove that dy by dx is independent of x, means in derivative we have only constant, other constant but not x. So if here cot inverse, so we can write its tangent inverse, taking reciprocal, because you know cot inverse x is equal to tangent inverse 1 by x. So it is 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x. And you know, we have discussed earlier, if 1 plus sin या minus sin, then we will change into cos, means we will write cos pi by 2 minus x. जहाँ भी 1 के प्लस या माइनस में sin थीटा होता है, then we will change into cos. So same here we will write tangent inverse sin x written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Same here, cos pi by 2 minus x upon 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, now we will apply property 1 plus cos theta written as 2 cos square theta by 2. But if 1 minus cos theta, then 2 sin square theta by 2. Same here, 2 cos square theta by 2, and here 2 sin square theta by 2. Now square root cancel, but under root 2 as common from numerator and denominator. If under root 2 is common, then here cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2. Under root 2 cancel. Then divide numerator and denominator by cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. Divide numerator and denominator by cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. So y as tangent inverse 1 minus tangent, you know, cos by cos cancel, sin by cos tangent, and same here 1 plus. Okay, now it is the property of 1 minus tangent theta, 1 plus tangent theta as tangent pi by 4 minus theta, means pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus plus cancel, tan inverse tan cancel, y is x by 2. So derivative is 1 by 2, purely constant, it is independent, you can say independent of x. Okay, तो इसका जल्दी से स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. My dear student, today we have solved mostly problematic questions from inverse trigonometry function derivative. Now you can solve almost questions from element or NCERT related to inverse trigonometry function derivative by using substitution formula, either tangent 2 theta, sine 2 theta, something. But before starting you should have, either you keep in mind all properties of trigonometry. Okay, if you have any another problem, then you can send me on WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.